Many of my students said that the polygon we drew represents a square. When I discussed with them their opinions, I asked them about the attributes that they use to identify the polygons as a square. They said that the polygon has two parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? Let's check. AB is parallel to CD. So these two are parallel like that. Let's write them together. So we have here AB is parallel to CD. Now, what else is parallel? BC is also parallel to AD. So BC is parallel to AD. Let's write it together. BC is parallel to AD. Now, we wrote the parallel lines using the symbol like that. So let's check what we did. Each one over here represents the parallel lines. And then we are going to continue. So we are going to represent two parallel lines, and we will read it as the word parallel. And we will write this next to the polygon as follows. Let's read them together. What do I see over here? BC is parallel to AD. AB is parallel to CD. Now they said that as long as a figure has two parallel sides, it could also be a rectangle. But when they found that all the sides are equal in length, they said that it could be a rhombus or a square. So we will write like this. All of these are equal. They noticed that the figure has perpendicular sides. So I asked them to identify them and write them using the perpendicular symbol, which we will use to represent two perpendicular lines and read it as the word perpendicular. Let's write it together. So where are my perpendicular sides? AB is perpendicular to AD. Let's write it together. So I have here AB perpendicular to AD. Like that. Now what else? CD is perpendicular to what? To AD. Let's write it together. So CD is perpendicular to AD. Now what else? Let's check. CD is also perpendicular to BC. Let's write it together. So here I will have CD is perpendicular to BC. Now, as long as the figure has perpendicular sides, did we forget one thing? Yes, we can also say that AB is perpendicular to BC. So I will write AB is also perpendicular to BC like that. Now, as long as the figure has perpendicular sides, the polygon we drew has right angles. Finally, they decided that the polygon is a square, which is actually the correct answer. So it is actually a square.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.